Reddit is a gold mine for free affiliate traffic if you know how to use it right, but most people spam their affiliate links and get banned instantly. In this video, I'll show you a smart way to promote your affiliate links on Reddit without breaking the rules. You will learn how to find the best subreddit craft value packed posts that drive clicks and how you can turn Reddit users into buyers 100% for free. Ready to tap into Reddit 3 billion monthly visitors? Let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with this affiliate marketing business that I will share with you. And as you can see over here, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just in the last 7 days I made $5,937. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and promote affiliate links on Reddit with free traffic, first you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be in this Fiverr affiliate website and it's super easy to use. I'll show you guys step by step how you can create your affiliate account. So you guys also can check this website if you want to get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr, because we will start promoting services. And from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start because they are really paying good commission. So for example, if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you earn a good commission for his first order, okay? And you will keep earning 10% of his future order, 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So if this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will earn a commission for every transaction this person will make on Fiverr. Okay, you can check this website and you will get more idea. And if you want to create your affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. All you have to do, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can choose no. And choose your country from here. So location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from anywhere. From United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and any country. Just search for your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your affiliate account dashboard. You should see commissions here, clicks, CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to create an account on Reddit. Okay, so it's super easy, guys. Just go to Google and search for Reddit like this. Okay, let me show you like this. Click on the first, click here on login. Use your email address to sign up. The sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Reddit. Okay, it's really super easy and simple, and they have a lot of traffic. A lot of people, they don't know about Reddit. A lot of people, they don't know the potential of the free traffic that you can get from Reddit, and I'll show you step by step how you can do it. You can see here that Reddit has 3 billion monthly visitors. Guys, that's a big website. They have a lot of traffic. Millions of people every single day, they are using Reddit and they are searching for specific services, topics, products, and more. Okay, so what you will do next for you after you finish your sign up process to Reddit, I'll show you guys which service you need to promote and how you can find services that people will be interested to buy from you. Okay, so here is what you will do. Go to your Reddit account, your Reddit homepage, click on the search and search for YouTube editor. Okay, for example, we will search for this topic. Just search for YouTube editor and click here. You have here all time. Okay, click on all time and choose today. Okay, I'm gonna choose today so I can see which people are searching for video editor today. Okay, and here you go. You see this person posted this post just today looking for high quality video editor. Here is another one looking for YouTube editor. Here is another one looking for UK based video editor. So what we will do, those people search for video editor. So I will go back to my Fiverr account, to this Fiverr homepage, and I will search for video I will search for video editing, okay? Like this. Search for this service that they are searching for on Reddit. People search for video editor. I will go back to Fiverr. I will search for video editing services. I will scroll down. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. What you will do next is you need to choose a good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you that you can choose and that you can use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose one of the sellers. Let me see, like this one. I will do professional video editing. You guys can see that this seller is top rated seller. He has over 1000 reviews and it's really good. This one is good. This one can provide good editing services for people who search for video editor on Reddit. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You can see that people keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers, which is really good. Okay, you see here 13 orders in queue, over 1000 reviews. That's a good one. So what you will do next is you will copy the profile link of the seller. Just copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What we will do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Reddit. So let's go back to Reddit. Go to Reddit. So this person search for looking for high quality video editor. I will click on this question like this, and you will be in this page like this. What you will do next, you will click here on join the conversation, okay, like this. And what I will do, I need to create a professional and a friendly message that I can put here with my link. Okay, so how you can create a good and professional friendly answer or message that you can use to send to those people who search for video editors. You guys can use Chat GPT. Okay, go to Chat GPT, go to Google, search for Chat GPT, the AI. You should use AI in your affiliate marketing business. It's very important. Okay, if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business, start using AI. Go to Chat GPT, search, and just ask him here, create a professional answer for a Reddit user question searching for YouTube editor to buy my video editing service from my website. And he created this. Then I asked him, can I use this on Reddit? And ChatGPT said yes, you can use this on Reddit, but keep in mind that he gave me some information here, and he created this one. Hey, if you are looking for solid YouTube editor, I can provide a professional editing services for YouTubers, and it's a really good one. I can copy this like this. I can copy this message. I can go back to Reddit and I will put this message here. Okay, like this. Okay, and you see here, you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, so what I will do here, let me show you. I will delete this part and I will click here. So to add your link to this message, you can click here on this icon over here. Okay, you see this show formatting option, show option, this one. Click on this one and you should see here, you can see that we have this option for link. Okay, if you click on this one, you can add your link here. Okay, and of course you can't add affiliate links directly on Reddit, otherwise your account will get banned. So it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website or a blog. Okay, and you can put all your services inside your website or inside your landing page or inside your blog that you are promoting on Reddit. Okay, so like this way This is a safe way to promote your affiliate links and start making commissions. Okay, so to get your affiliate link, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just started this business, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said in the beginning, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr marketplace new plan. So you just need to copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and put your affiliate link inside your website or inside your landing page that you want to use. Okay, I will also make this affiliate link short link. I will go to Google and I will search for short URL like this, and I will make this affiliate link short link. Okay, so for you, like I said, it's better to use landing page or an affiliate website so you can be fine to promote your affiliate links on Reddit. This is my affiliate link. I will copy this link. I will go back to Reddit. For you, you will put here your website link or your landing page link or your blog link, and you will click here on save and your account, and here you go, it's gonna be like this. Okay, your message will be like this with your affiliate link here, of course with not your affiliate link directly. I explain it so you know what you need to do, and after you finish you just need to click here on comments. Okay, and your comments will be sent to this person like this. Okay, you can see to this person who searched for looking for high quality video editor, and he just posted this post today. You can see here so your link will be sent like this. That's exactly how you can promote your affiliate links on Reddit. Use landing page or an affiliate website, and that's it. So for people also who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. I'm not using just Reddit. Of course, I'm focusing on a lot of profitable sources of free traffic. And inside my course, I shared everything. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Okay? And that's exactly how you can start using Reddit and promote your affiliate links on Reddit and make commission. So this method can help you make commission fast. Okay, because you already have people here searching for video editor. You can see here, if you come every single day to Reddit and you search for YouTube editor and you filter here by today, okay, you choose today, you will always every single day find new people searching for video editor. Also, you cannot just keep focusing on video editing services. You can search for, let's search for logo designer. Okay, please search for a lot. You can search for unlimited services. Okay, I can click here, I can choose today. You have a lot of services that you can promote. Logo design, trying to make a logo as expanded my design. Okay, designed logo for your first time. For hire graphic designer, so this one is, they are searching for graphic designer. Okay, let me see, for hire, this is another one. Need logo design. You see, you can find a lot of people searching for different services that you can start promoting on Reddit. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you find this video helpful, please like this video, comment affiliate marketing if you want to see some new and advanced methods to promote your affiliate links with free traffic, and see you in my next videos.